Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to apply chicken wire to the base of your shed to keep out rodents. Here are some of the supplies that we're going to need. First, we have our chicken wire. We have a staple gun, or you can use your screws or nails, and a wire cutter. These are the different things that you're going to need in order to staple or nail your chicken wire to the base of the shed to keep out squirrels, skunks, and mouse, and other unwanted rodents. So, I've cut my chicken wire already, and I have it ready. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a trench about a foot or so down into the ground around my shed so that I can staple the chicken wire onto the shed and push it further down into the ground. So here I've dug a trench about a foot long where I'm going to attach the chicken wire to the post area down here by the shed, drop the rest of the chicken wire in the trench, and then cover it back up with soil. So what I've done now is I've nailed the chicken wire to the bottom of the shed using roof nails because the head of the nails are really broad. And so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up back this trench with soil. So what I've done here is I have completed the project. I've shoveled back the soil over by the trench and I've covered it. And so there you go, installing chicken wire around the shed so that it will be rodent proof. Enjoy.